student. Myself Pradnya Sudhakar Aire, working as an assistant professor in KTHM College, Nasik. Today we will discuss CHO 150 Organic Chemistry MSc First Class. Today we are going to discuss heterocyclic chemistry or a general introduction of heterocyclic chemistry. The session agenda of today's lecture is, we are going to discuss first of all introduction. In that we will see what is heterocyclic chemistry. We know that heterocyclic compound are the compound which containing at least one atom other than the carbon atom. That is the compound which contain at least one non-carbon atom. The non-carbon atom, it may be oxygen, nitrogen or sulfur. Heterocyclic compound are very important role in organic chemistry. In the DNA structure, they are play very important role. Hence, heterocyclic compound are very important in organic chemistry as well as bioorganic chemistry. Second, we will see the classification of heterocyclic compound. Classification of heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic compound are classified into two categories. First, when heterocyclic compound are the part of aromatic compound, then which is classified into aromatic heterocyclic compound, and heterocyclic compound are the part of non-aromatic system. They are known as non-aromatic heterocyclic compound. Aromatic heterocyclic compound are further categorized into two groups. First one is monocyclic aromatic heterocyclic compound, and second one is polycyclic aromatic heterocyclic compound. The monocyclic aromatic heterocyclic compound are further classified into two groups. First one is a 5-membered monocyclic aromatic heterocyclic compound, and second one is a 6-membered monocyclic aromatic heterocyclic compound. In that 5-member heterocyclic compound, which is contain 5-membered ring, and in that this carbon atom which is replaced by the nitrogen, and the compound is said to be pyrrole. The compound is said to be pyrrole. When second one is carbon which is replaced by oxygen, and the compound is said to be furan. And third one is carbon atom which is then replaced by sulfur. The compound is said to be thiophene. Thiophene. This is the pyrrole, this is furan, and this is thiophene. When in that 6-membered monocyclic aromatic heterocyclic compound, when 6-member ring, and in that 6-member ring, carbon which is replaced by the nitrogen, and the compound is said to be pyridine. Compound is naming as pyridine. When in a polycyclic heterocyclic atom, there are a naphthalene ring, polycyclic heterocyclic compound which contain a naphthalene ring, and in that naphthalene ring at one position, carbon which is replaced by the nitrogen, and the compound is named as quinoline. Quinoline. And second one is naphthalene ring and in that naphthalene ring at second position carbon which is replaced by the nitrogen, and the compound is said to be isoquinoline. The compound is said to be isoquinoline. In a non-aromatic heterocyclic compound are further classified into two groups, same as a aromatic heterocyclic compound. This is monocyclic and second one is a polycyclic. Then monocyclic group are further classified into two categories, such as 5-membered monocyclic non-aromatic heterocyclic compound and 6-membered monocyclic non-aromatic heterocyclic compound. This 5-membered heterocyclic compound contains such as cyclopentane ring, and this cyclopentane ring which is replaced by oxygen, which is said as tetrahydrofuran, which is shortly named as THF. Then cyclopentane ring, and in that cyclopentane ring one carbon atom which is replaced by the nitrogen, and which is said to be pyrrolidine. And cyclopentane ring, and in that cyclopentane ring which is one carbon atom which is replaced by the sulfur, and this compound is named as tetrahydrothiophene. Then polycyclic non-aromatic heterocyclic compound which is 2 ring, and in that ring carbon atom which is 6-member ring. In a 6-member ring, and in that 6-member ring nitrogen which is carbon which is replaced by nitrogen, and this compound is said to be piperidine. And in a polycyclic atom, in that polycyclic atom one atom which is replaced by the nitrogen, and this compound is said to be decahydroquinoline. Okay, then we will see the nomenclature of heterocyclic compound. Okay, then we will see the nomenclature of heterocyclic compound. Nomenclature of heterocyclic compound. There are two rules for nomenclature of heterocyclic compound. First rule is, in the nomenclature of heterocyclic compound, the heteroatom is denoted when carbon which is replaced by oxygen, which is denoted as a oxa. Carbon atom which is replaced by the oxygen, which is denoted as a oxa, when carbon atom which is replaced by the nitrogen, which is denoted as a aza, and carbon atom which is replaced by the sulfur, which is denoted as a thia. Okay, first rule is, when carbon atom which is replaced by oxygen, which is denoted as a oxa, carbon atom which is replaced by the nitrogen, which is denoted as a aza, and carbon atom which is replaced by the sulfur, which is denoted as a thia. Then second rule for a nomenclature of heterocyclic compound is, the carbon heteroatom which is numbering 1. When heteroatom we started a numbering, always give a 1 number to the heteroatom. Always give 1 number to the heteroatom. There are two rules for nomenclature of heterocyclic compound. Then we see the nomenclature of heteroatom containing one heteroatom. The nomenclature of heteroatom containing one heteroatom. Hence, we know that this is a pyrrole. Okay, pyrrole. The common name is oxazole, and the IUPAC name is oxa, okay, oxa, and this is a cyclopentene ring. This is oxacyclopentene. This is a pyrrole, and the IUPAC name is oxacyclopentene. Same for pyrrole. This is a pyrrole. The common name is azole. The IUPAC name is aza, N for aza, and cyclopentene, because this is a cyclopentene ring. Azacyclopentene. And for thiophene, this is a thiophene ring. Thiophene. The common name is thiazole. And the IUPAC name is thiacyclopentene. Thiocyclopentene. This is a 5-membered heterocyclic compound. Same for 6-member heterocyclic compound. This is a pyridine. And for that pyridine, the nomenclature is aza. Okay, aza for nitrogen, and cyclohexene ring. This is a cyclohexene ring, and in that cyclohexene ring, nitrogen which is replaced by carbon which is replaced by nitrogen. Hence, the name is azacyclohexene. This is for the heterocyclic compound containing one heteroatom. Same heterocyclic compound containing two heteroatom. Heterocyclic compound containing two heteroatom. Okay, heterocyclic compound containing two heteroatom. This is oxygen cyclopentane ring and nitrogen, that is heteroatom containing oxygen and nitrogen, and the name is oxazole, and the name is oxazole. When heteroatom containing oxygen as well as sulfur, and the name is thiazole, and the heteroatom containing nitrogen and nitrogen. There are two nitrogen atoms, and the name is pyrrozole. Okay, there are aromatic heterocyclic. These are overall aromatic heterocyclic. Then we see the nomenclature for non-aromatic heterocyclic compound. This is the cyclopentane ring, and in that cyclopentane ring, one atom which is replaced by the oxygen, and which is a THF, tetrahydrofuran, and the IUPAC name is oxacyclopentane. Oxacyclopentane, because this is a cyclopentane ring, and in that cyclopentane ring, carbon atom which is replaced by the oxygen. Hence, this name is oxacyclopentane. Next, for thiophene, the name is thia, thia for S, and cyclopentane. And for pyrrolidine, the name for nitrogen aza and cyclopentane. This is the overall nomenclature of heterocyclic compound. We will see the Huckel rule. Huckel rule in 1931, which is predict any fully conjugated cyclic planar system which contain 4n plus 2 pi electron, which is aromatic, and we show all the characteristics feature for aromatic compound. What is that? Any compound which is cyclic, planar, and containing 4n plus pi electron, which is aromatic system, and which is show all the characteristics feature for aromatic system. Which is what is that characteristics feature? First one, all the aromatic system are a high degree of unsaturation and which do not undergo addition reaction. All the aromatic compound which show the substitution reaction. That is substitution reaction, which is nitration reaction, halogenation reaction, or sulfonation reaction, and so on. This is the first characteristics feature. The second one is the aromatic system are cyclic, planar, and containing 4, 5, 6, that is containing n. N means number of ring, and which is show the conjugated double bond. The third one is in the 5-membered heterocyclic compound, that is which is contain heteroatom oxygen, nitrogen, or sulfur, which is contain 2 pi electron. For example, in a furan which contain 2 pi electron, that is 4 electron, and 2 non-bonding electron, that is oxygen non-bonding electron, take part in conjugation, and which is show the 4n plus 2 pi electron, which obey the 6 pi electron rule, which obey the 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. We will see the resonance structure for furan. This lone pair which is shifted toward this carbon, and this double bond which is shifted towards the this lone pair which is shifted toward this bond, and this double bond which is shifted toward the carbon. This is the resonance structure first for furan. Oxygen containing 3 bond, hence oxygen valency satisfied by positive charge. The next resonance structure is negative charge which is shifted towards the bond, and this double bond which is shifted towards the carbon. This is the next resonance structure of furan, and the remaining part is as it is. Okay. The next resonance structure is this negative charge which is shifted towards the bond, and this double bond which is shifted towards the carbon. This is the next resonance structure for furan. Oxygen valency satisfied by positive charge. Then this negative charge which is shifted towards the bond, and this double bond which is shifted towards the carbon. Okay. Then next resonance structure is this negative charge which is shifted towards the bond and oxygen valency which is satisfied. Then shifting this bond towards the oxygen. And we will show this starting, that is we started from this furan ring and we get this ring again. Okay. This is the resonance structure for 5-membered heterocyclic compound. This is shown for furan and for thiophene and pyrrole, which is shown same as this. Okay. In pyridine, there are 3 double bonds and which is obey the 6 pi electron rule, and the nitrogen lone pair does not take part in the resonance. But in the 5-member ring, in the pyrrole, thiophene and pyrrole, thiophene pyrrole, thiophene and furan, this lone pair which is take part in the resonance and obey the 6 pi electron rule, but in a nitrogen there are containing 6 pi electron and this nitrogen lone pair which is free for the reaction. Okay. Then Haeckel rule for polycyclic heteroatom for quinoline and isoquinoline. There are N is equal to 2, that is 2 rings fuse to each other. It is for quinoline and isoquinoline. Okay. N is equal to 2 and 4 into N, that is N is equal to 2 plus 2. Okay. 4 into 2, 8 plus 2, that is 10 pi electron, and 10 pi electron which is also obey the aromaticity. This is for quinoline and isoquinoline which shows the 10 pi electron. Okay. This is for Haeckel rule for 5-membered and 6-membered ring and also for quinoline and isoquinoline. Then for non-aromatic system such as THF, that is tetrahydrofuran and tetrahydrothiophene and pyrrolidine, that is for THF, tetrahydrothiophene, tetrahydrofuran and for pyrrolidine, which is does not contain double bond or conjugated double bond and it is not a planar system, hence it does not obey the Haeckel rule and it is this compound which is does not aromatic system. This does not obey the Haeckel rule. Then we will stop here and in the next lecture we will see the how 5-member ring is synthesis.